Hi friends, in this video let us know about railway lines present in Bangalore. Bangalore has so many railway stations. Among them Bangalore City Junction Railway Station, Yeshwantpur Junction Railway Station are major railway stations, and some other important railway stations are Yelhanka Railway Station, Bangalore Cantonment Railway Station, Krishnarajapuram Railway Station, Banaswadi Railway Station. Most of the railway lines present in Bangalore are double electric railway lines. Very few lines in Bangalore are single diesel lines. Let us see the railway lines in map.
These are the railway lines present in Bangalore. Bangalore Junction Railway Station, Yeshwantpur Junction Railway Station, Yelhanka Junction Railway Station, Krishnarajapuram Station, Bangalore Cantonment Railway Station, Banaswadi Railway Station. The trains towards Mysore will go in this direction. Means this line goes to Mysore and this line goes towards Hassan and Hubli. Means at Chikkabanavara railway station, this line splits into two separate railway lines, and one line goes to Hassan and one line goes to Hubli. This railway line is Chennai, Kerala, and Andhra Pradesh railway line. Means after Jolarpet, this railway line is splits into two. One line goes towards Katpadi, Renigunta, and Chennai, and another line goes towards Kerala, Salem, Erode, Coimbatore, Palakkad. So all the trains towards Kerala, Chennai, Andhra Pradesh goes in this direction from Bangalore Junction railway station, and some trains towards north means Guntakal, Secunderabad or some Maharashtra and Delhi goes in this direction means Bangalore Cantonment and Yelhanka, and they will goes to Hindupur, and after Guntakal, and in that way they will go to North India. And some trains towards Vijayawada, Guntur will go in this direction means to via Yelhanka, Hindupur and Guntakal Gutti. Trains towards Hosur will go in this direction means in this direction. So here is a one bypass line means which connects these both lines. So it goes in this direction means Hosuru, and this line goes towards Salem. And the trains from Chennai to Hubli will not touch the Bangalore railway station. They will come from Chennai in this way, and from here the trains goes into this line and Banaswadi. Next they will go to Yeshwantpur, and at Yeshwantpur they will have loco reversal, and from Yeshwantpur they will go in this way means towards Hubli or Hassan and some other cities in Karnataka. Means they will not touch the Bangalore Junction railway station. Only the trains from Chennai towards Mysore will come in this way, and trains from Kerala to Bangalore or Mysore also come in this way, or some trains from Kerala will come in this way also. Trains which run between Kachiguda and Yeshwantpur will come in this way means after Hindupur, Yelhanka. From Yelhanka these trains will come in this direction, which terminate at Yeshwantpur will come in this direction means they won't go to Bangalore, so they will terminate at Yeshwantpur. Train that runs between Coimbatore and Hazrat Nizamuddin, Kongu Express from Coimbatore, it will come in this line, and here it will go like this means this blue line is present on a bridge, and the red line goes under the bridge, and so it will go in this way Banswadi, and it will go to Yeshwantpur. From at Yeshwantpur it is having loco reversal, and again it will go in this direction. This train goes in this way towards Hazrat Nizamuddin. There are few trains which skips both Yeshwantpur and Bangalore railway station, Shirdi, Sainagar and Chennai Express. this train comes in this line and it will go directly like this, means it won't touch Bangalore or Yeshwanthpur. From the here there is a one line connecting these both lines, so it goes via Krishnarajapuram railway station. And there is another train also, Oka Tuticorin Express. That train will also go in this way, means without touching Bangalore and Yeshwanthpur.
Trains which are having Bangalore and Mysore as terminating stations, they won't go to Yeshwanthpur. Only few trains will go to Yeshwanthpur. Remaining all the trains directly from Yelahanka or Krishnarajapuram, they goes towards Bangalore and next Mysore. And the trains which are having Yeshwanthpur as a terminating station, they won't go to Bangalore. From Yelahanka side, they will directly come to Yeshwanthpur. If the train is coming from Chennai side or Salem side, they will go through Banswadi railway station and next Yeshwanthpur Junction railway station. These are the railway lines present in Bangalore. Please ignore my grammar mistakes. Thanks for watching.